Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce with tomatoes. First, let's talk about selecting the perfect produce. For the best flavor, choose ripe, red tomatoes such as Roma or San Marzano varieties. Aim for about 2 pounds of fresh, firm tomatoes for a generous batch. Remember to wash them thoroughly and remove any stems or blemishes before we begin the cooking process. This initial step is crucial for a delicious sauce. Now, let's prepare those beautiful tomatoes. Start by scoring a small X on the bottom of each one. Then, carefully blanch them in boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds, just until the skins begin to loosen. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking. Once cooled, you can easily peel and core them, then roughly chop them into pieces for our sauce. With our tomatoes ready, it's time to build the flavor. In a large pot, sauté 1 small onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Add your chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour for a rich, deep flavor. Almost there. For a smoother sauce, you can use an immersion blender or a food mill. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves during the last 5 minutes of cooking to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or even a pinch of sugar if desired. Once cooled, store your homemade tomato sauce in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.